My bad habit is Nolan's nightmare.
क्या?
I'm watching Odyssey in reels. 3
Yeah, that
minutes
is also
at a
that,
time.
dude. My favorite thing is because there's so many average movies, and there's people who make a whole shot in which they narrate the whole movie to you.
Yes.
Like, and I'm like, yes, this average movie is great, but watching it would not add to my this. But knowing that it's an average movie, next time कभी अगर लगेगा किधर रहेगा, I'll watch part of it. ठीक है?
If I'm traveling somewhere, I want to watch an
Yeah,
average movie.
yeah. Where I don't mind falling asleep in the
Yes.
middle of the movie.
I had a nap, I woke up, I'm
Yeah.
still following the story. Great.
Yeah, superb. You made a nap-friendly movie. Like, which is thanks, bro. Like I think that is the biggest product you can get out of a theater. Forget like most expensive product. क्योंकि there is 500 रुपए का popcorn, there is 200 रुपए का movie, but then there is करोड़ों रुपए का need.
Whenever you get the last row seat, you feel like the mall is going, sleep, sleep. It's okay.
हाँ,
Sleep.
it's
Don't
fine.
worry.
Like a person should comment, ये वाला part boring है, सो जाओ. Like, देख
Yeah,
के.
they have all of the disclaimers for smoking
हाँ,
in scenes and whatnot. There should
hmm,
also be a small like eye mask logo.
हाँ.
Nap friendly scene coming up. Let's not share this with CBFC, otherwise they'll start censoring sleep content also. ये सपने में बैड थॉट्स ले रहा है सपने में ये सपने में किसिंग सीन सोच रहा है ए you heard about that, no? Spider-Man lost
What?
the
Yeah, they वही है ना, that is the best oh, the best argument that people have against CBFC का censorship कि two people who actually want to kiss each other that they'll remove. But if one person is forcing themselves on another, this show, this is social issue.
yeah.
This you show, this is very important.
Pinching waist
It's
is
very important.
metaphor, huh? It is
Very
metaphor.
important.
That
बाप रे, very
that
important.
pinch of the heroine's
then-
waist is actually a metaphor
हाँ.
for the patriarchy.
People should know how you flirt with a woman.
Yeah.
So pinch.
If she is looking frustrated, you're on the right track.
Yeah.
That is what
Because-
Bollywood has taught me.
Like, how do you know, sir? Like, see my wife. 20 years we've been married. Always frustrated with me. That's love. That's
See
love.
our wedding photos. There
Still,
also.
they're also frustrated. Without pinching waist, I achieved all of this. Imagine.
In between, I was told between Pheras, hey,
Huh.
pinch. Who was telling? Our parents only.
Do something.
Do, arey, now do.
Man.
The way a country of 1.4 billion people looks at the act of procreation.
Yeah.
is-
No, it doesn't look at that.
Sorry, it does not.
doesn't look. ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. कौन बोला तेरे को ऐसा
Yeah.
होता है?
No, we
ये
just,
सब मिथ होता है भाई.
I forgot. We Indians, we just imagine our kids into existence.
Yeah.
We just
It's
think very hard.
कि भाई लड़का लड़का लड़का. हो गया.
और फिर लड़की मार डाल.
Think again. Oh man.
It is just a thought.
Yeah. Man,
I'm glad though. I'm glad I'm born a man. My dad wanted a girl. And then I saw how my dad was.
dude, I can take Rapido two-wheeler because I'm a dude. Like, imagine that's
Yeah.
a 50%, 50 rupees, 60 rupees reduction in wherever I have to travel. So how, like, this is like I'm earning more also than most women, and I'm saving also because I can put up with so much shit without being worried.
Oh.
Like I sit on a two-wheeler and I take the
Oh.
same distance. The best. Like, मेरे को आके पूछता है on Rapido के did you feel safe? I'm like ask the driver that did he feel safe with me? Like because I took up too much space on the pillion, dude. Like my thighs were touching his butt. ठीक है, because that's just like the scooter is small. I can't help it.
That's
I
your
try to
seat belt.
examine, हाँ. Like that's it.
Like whenever he brakes, he feels like a leaning tower of pizza.
Yeah, he's driving fast, trying to leave me behind. He's trying that shit, bro.
He weighs more than the baggage in my life.
Oh, dude, sometimes I sit, I'm worried there'll be a wheelie. Just the moment I sit, he'll go up. This has happened with me though, Rapido. Like, so I always book bike because that's what will take my weight.
Hmm.
And Rapido sends me scooty.
Oh.
Okay, so the guy comes and he says, "Sir, मैं नहीं ले पाऊंगा." Like, Rapido is another example of how crazy a world we live in because the cops say it's illegal. ठीक है, but the app is available. Like the app is available. The
A-
people are driving also.
People are showing ads also on the app.
Yeah, that is also happening. Everything is happening, but it's illegal. Like you can't drive. And the best part is if they catch you, then the Rapido guy, the Rapido guy, when you sit only, he says like, "Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?" नहीं, मेरा नाम ये है. ठीक है, आप क्या काम करते हो? We have to get to know each other because if the cops find you, then it should be like ये दोस्त है.
Yeah.
But then I'm like, dude, तू ये सोच. ठीक है, मैं जीन्स पहना है, मैं शर्ट पहना है, ठीक है, हम लोग जो कपड़ा पहना है इतना फर्क है. क्लियरली यू कैन सी कि मैं पूरा दिन बैठा ही है और तू पूरा दिन काम पे है. ठीक है, वो क्लियरली दिख रहा है. तू रेनकोट वेनकोट पहना है क्योंकि तू बाहर ही है. ठीक है, मैं एक छाता ऐसा पकड़ता है जब बारिश चालू होता है. ठीक है, यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू ऑफ अस. And in some cases, so like it is age difference. Like there is some 45-year-old uncle, ठीक है, and he's like, हम लोग दोस्त है, कैसा bro? Like क्या?
You
बाप
should-
है मेरा, ऐसा बोलना चाहिए.
नहीं, दिखते भी नहीं होता हम
वहाँ
आप
पे
गया
गया
हूँ.
वो.
But that is you can flip the
Yeah.
narrative. Always learn this from the government. Flip the narrative. Tell them, हाँ, this is a sign of how गहरा अपना दोस्ती है. It broke through the barrier.
Yeah. Actually, I was friends with his son. He took money from both of us. He went-
वो क्या करता है? वो दूसरे शहर में रैपिडो चलाता है.
Dude, my my thing is like I think I need to learn how to ride bike now. कि I'll book Rapido and I'll drive in place of
Yeah.
in place of that guy. कि I am a brake for you only. Like I
Yeah.
just need to reach there. ठीक है, बिट नहीं आएगा.
I think with that hair, you don't even have to wear a helmet. That skull is protected.
But it's also aerodynamically bad. तो उसका माइलेज खराब हो रहा है.
हाँ. वो भी
Like,
E20.
एक तो E20 फिर इसका सर हट यार.
And suddenly, Mr. Nibin.
Bad curry.
Yeah.
Mr. Bad curry.
Not the guy you're thinking of, huh?
Bad curry.
Yeah.
bro. Da, 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 da.
He suddenly appears and goes, "ए माइलेज बराबर है, हाँ? झूठ मत बोलो, झूठ मत बोलो. मैं मेटा को बोलेगा तुम्हारा अकाउंट सस्पेंड करने को."
It's like at this point it's like hiding an erection. Like you know,
Oh,
like अरे दिख रहा है तेरा खड़ा है. Like it's just like नहीं है, नहीं बिल्कुल खड़ा नहीं है.
अरे एक तो हाफ चड्डी पहना है तू, दिखता है.
You are turned on right now. नहीं खड़ा है, मैं बोल रहा है नहीं खड़ा है. क्या है, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. Like I can see, I can feel it. Like I can feel it.
सर काठी हात नसते ठेवायचे.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं खड़ा. Sir, it's in my mouth.
Stop! You read about the letter that was sent out by CM? Like, you know about
What is CM?
CM is the agency. It's an organization which is for automobile manufacturers.
Oh, South automobile manufacturer.
It's a good guess. South
South-
नहीं था. South
हाँ.
है ही नहीं.
Check करते ना क्या है CM? SI.
SIAM.
Society of Indian Automobile Society is a weird name to put. Society of Indian Automobile.
Imagine how much parking का
How
लफड़ा
many are there?
happens.
And they have a thing जहाँ पे turn by turn every person Mahindra,
Yes.
Mahindra, Suzuki का जो भी है, Ford का turn by turn they have to be in charge of parking. They're like आने दो.
I think they end up making fun of Toyota also. बनाने वाला लोग इतना छोटा है, गाड़ी इतना बड़ा है. अपना मारुति देखो, 10 जन बैठता है एक मारुति में, फिर भी कितना जगह, हाथ गाड़ी का जगह लेता है.
Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers.
Yeah. They ended up publishing a letter some days ago, which Pushu tried to say, Pushu in quiet tones, that there is some lafda happening with people's gadis. Some is happening. Some, but it's happening. It's happening so much that we have to send a letter, share a letter in public. And then, of course...
छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात. आपको check कर लो कि
गैस्केट बदलना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा गैस्केट, थोड़ा रबरिंग खराब होएगा, थोड़ा चीजें इशू होएगा, थोड़ा अस्थमा होएगा गाड़ी को थोड़ा, बट
वो वेयर एंड टेयर का पार्ट, वेयर एंड टेयर वेयर का
अरे नहीं नहीं
वेयर एंड
नहीं
टेयर का पार्ट है। वो चलाता है ऐसे ना, ऐसे घे 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 वो
आता नहीं ना इधर, सब लोग को आता नहीं
आता नहीं है
चलाने को।
ड्राइविंग। टुवर्ड्स इट लाइक कुछ नहीं, बस ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही बोला था, हाय बोलने के लिए लिखा था।
वही हुआ।
ओ अच्छा, ओके
यस,
ओके,
वो एग्जैक्टली वही हुआ।
मिड लेटर दे चेंज।
लेटर गया बाहर और
हाँ।
पब्लिक बोला, अरे देखो भाई, जो गाड़ी
हम्म।
बना रहा वही बोल रहा खराब हो रहा,
या
फिर भी तो मियाँ
you went full Hyderabadi.
एग्जैक्टली
I
मियाँ।
think that is the only accent that has not been demonized yet.
Yes.
Like, why? Because Marvel का dubbing था हैदराबादी में, and after that people are like, नहीं इसका हम लोग दुश्मन नहीं बना सकते, बहुत funny है।
And it feels the most approachable accent
हाँ।
to speak in. क्या मियाँ,
Yeah,
क्या
it's like
कर रहे हो
very-
मियाँ?
Very naturally complaining.
Yes.
ठीक है, but I'm on your side only.
Yeah.
तू बहुत कांड हुए पर मैं तेरा दोस्त है। तू बहुत खराब किया पर फिर भी चल मैं मानता है तेरे को।
तो लेटर आया बाहर,
हाँ।
पब्लिक किया क्या रे क्या, और फिर लेटर विड्रॉ भी कर लिया
ओके।
कि ओ सॉरी बाय मिस्टेक पब्लिश हुआ।
गलत एड्रेस,
गलत।
गलत एड्रेस।
मैं ड्राफ्ट में रखा था मगर
हाँ।
पब्लिश हो गया, सॉरी यार,
sorry,
सॉरी।
sorry.
मैं अपना नहीं, मैं फिलीपींस का बोल रहा था, फिलीपींस। उधर होता है ये सब, इधर नहीं होता है, इधर नहीं होता
उधर
है।
E20 भी अच्छा नहीं बना
हाँ, खराब है रे।
वहाँ का गन्ना में ना केमिकल यूज होता है।
मतलब सच्ची में बोलूं ना,
हाँ।
बर्मा से बहुत अच्छा है अपन।
हाँ।
अरे उधर पहुंच गया अभी, हाँ यार। पाकिस्तान,
running out of failed states
yeah,
at this point.
like now even Pakistan is replying back, हाँ है हम तो।
हाँ, तो
so we have to look, अरे अच्छा ये
Yeah,
लोग
dude.
वापस जवाब दे रहा है, ठीक है। now look at Burma.
just, just pray they don't start talking back again.
Which country doesn't have internet? Let's blame them.
Like apparently वो जो FSSAI का हो रहा है अभी,
Oh
वो
yes.
होटल पे रेड मार रहा है, तो 2-3 people are complaining, like कॉमिक्स और ये तेरे को पता है वो दिन में शेजवान राइस मंगाया था, ऑलमोस्ट व्हाइट कलर था। मैंने कहा क्योंकि वो लाल कलर डाल रहा था।
Yes.
ठीक है, उससे टेस्ट वेस्ट का कुछ नहीं था, इट्स स्टिल योर सेम शेजवान व्हाइट। लाइक आई लाइक हाउ द बिगेस्ट इम्पैक्ट इज कि भाई होटल का फेयर एंड लवली चला गया। Like, वही है और कुछ नहीं।
One fellow said that only, अरे लॉलीपॉप मागवला भजी सारखे दिसते.
Man.
But the thing is, why is it that I understand the saying, आंखों
हाँ.
से भी खाना खाते हैं, अपने
Yeah.
इधर गरीबी इतना है कि आंखों से तो कोई ज्यादा खा नहीं रहा
अरे
है.
पर तू जहाँ पे ऑर्डर कर रहा है वैसे भी वहाँ पे लाइट अच्छा नहीं है, तो क्या ही खाने वाला है आप?
And why is it that when it comes to Chinese food,
हाँ.
unless you see the color of the Chinese
Yeah.
flag,
हाँ हाँ
represent, it's not good. मेरे को ड्रैगन का आग का जो शेड है ना,
The-
वो चाहिए मंचूरियन में.
The thing is, no, Chinese, if you think about it, stir fry and all of this, very easy to make. Like, it's, if you think about fried rice, it's basically bale plus fire. Like, it's the same.
The fire part makes it difficult.
No, dude. How-
You stand beside a wok,
Okay, fine.
you
ठीक
feel like you're this close to being in Nazi Germany.
है. Okay,
This
fair.
close.
Fair enough. Fair enough. But I think the reason why is like because फिर और क्या डालेगा, और क्या डाला हुआ है, because it is rice and it is bhaji and it is
A
some
lot of
chicken.
condiments.
हाँ, वही, it was basically salt and मिर्च only.
Vinegar.
But you can't, हाँ वही,
हाँ.
like it's like 2-3 things which are same in everything.
हाँ.
है ना, और तेरा जो सूप रहता है उसमें वो लोग कॉर्नस्टार्च डालते हैं थिकनिंग के लिए,
Correct.
ठीक है, तो बेसिकली देयर इजंट मच in terms of even all the vegetables like छोटू डाइस
Yes.
and whatnot. So as such कुछ है नहीं सिवाय राइस और नूडल का, ठीक है, but when you put color that's what elevates it. It's like I think eating Chinese food is like buying a TV. कलर अच्छा रहना चाहिए. Like, you know, बाकी जो भी रहेगा रेजोल्यूशन वगैरह जैसे भी रहे, कलर क्रिस्प मांगता है तेरे को.
शेजवान नूडल्स कितना पिक्सल का है?
And if you think about it, दो डिश में कलर से ही तो फर्क हम लाइक शेजवान इज रेड,
Yes.
सिंगापुर इज
Yellowish.
येलो, ठीक है, हांगकांग नूडल्स इज ब्राउनिश,
Yes.
ठीक है, मंचूरियन इज वाइटर देन नॉर्मल फ्राइड राइस.
Hong Kong always wants to represent itself separately from the mainland.
हाँ, yes.
We are not them.
अलग Manchurian has somehow got less. You know, you
Yes.
ever have like fried rice, chicken fried rice you order,
Yes.
and you order Manchurian rice. It'll give you this or it feels like you separated the two things for me, because like you what you used to put over here, you just put it in a bowl and with like you put Manchurian balls, because somehow it's got less. वो कम अंडा डालता है या कुछ तो कम डालता है वो,
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो एकदम ऐसा स्टीम राइस जैसा लगता है मेरे को कभी कभी. तो
One
वही है, that is the only thing which is distinguishing Chinese things from each other. और कुछ है नहीं dude. और वो बोला अरे तू मेरा, like he was more a painter, the guy with the हाथ गाड़ी than a cook. ठीक है, वो बोला अरे तू मेरा मेन वेपन ही ले लिया डूड, बाकी सब तो चटपटा ही है ये, और क्या है.
जब कलर था ना, तेरा भाई वैन गो था, वैन गो.
मिक्स फ्राइड राइस इज दैट ओनली, एक ये दो ये तीन.
अरे रेकड़ी पे स्टारी नाइट्स हर रात को. हर रात को किधर किधर से आता था पब्लिक मालूम है.
3D गॉगल पहन के मेरा वॉक देख. Man, वो ले गया, and now he's doing podcast and whatnot.
He was on Food
Monday.
Farmers
Yes.
podcast.
The first time food farmer is like, I'm happy with something government is doing.
He
different.
looked so excited at the prospect of meeting somebody who has the power to implement his thoughts.
अच्छा, food farmer.
Till then,
food farmer was like, yes, it's like a government avatar
मतलब
of me.
साहब यही तो मेरे इक्वेशन में यही मिसिंग था
हाँ.
कि मैं जब बोलता हूँ तो मेरे पे सीधा केस हो जाता है. आप बोलने के बाद किसी और पे केस डालते हो.
So what did he do? He closed down restaurants.
I closed down
Barabar.
restaurants.
Wanted
Then
expiry dates. Because one restaurant I went where I really like having the this, what is it called? I love having the rabdi there. But the
Okay.
rabdi they make whatever every day, and there is no expiry date on it because it's in-house. In-house है, खत्म हो जाता है, whatever. So they have to stop making rabdi for a couple of days because like we need to figure out a workaround. ठीक है.
just put the date. A
हाँ,
sticker.
but like it needs to look legit also. वो वाला scene है. You know, like it should look पक्का कि it is a label or something because they
हाँ.
want packed या कुछ तो ऐसा.
You get basic label stickers everywhere.
हाँ.
You just put that on the counter.
Tamper proof होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. तो like they're like, अच्छा we are still figuring out because it's an old joint. कि like हाँ
Oh.
हम लोग तो यही हम लोग fresh, we are the fresh. like वो वैसा
सर
हम लोग
इधर
रोज चीज बनाते हैं, हम लोग खत्म हो जाते हैं.
मेरे
We are not the adulterants. वो है basically वो बोला.
No, he must be saying कि अरे सर tamper proof sticker मेरा दादाजी का फोटो लैमिनेटेड नहीं है.
yeah, exactly. He's like, सर मैं जैसा बनाता है खत्म हो जाता है, मैं क्या करूँ अभी.
मतलब स्टिकर लगाने गया खाली हो गया.
खाली हो गया. मैं ऐसा प्रिंट करके निकला, अरे कौन ले गया. like, वही हो गया.
बाजू में देखा मेरा वर्कर लोग ही खा गया.
It's just quickly moving. It is the definition of fast moving consumer good.
Yeah.
That rabdi. So it's like मैं कैसा बनाऊँ और कैसा रखूँ. तो वो उसका सीन था and so तो वो चालू किया. Then he closed down a few restaurants.
He
also,
closed
no?
down Parsi Dairy का सीन हो गया, के
हाँ,
रुस्तम
हाँ.
का सीन हो
Yes,
गया.
yes.
Then a couple of other restaurants were pulled up.
हाँ.
In fact, the food lobby,
Hmm.
the Association of Restaurants and whatnot, have
Hmm.
also essentially reached out saying कि अरे एकदम एक्शन मत लो ना.
अरे 2 दिन तो दे दो.
कुछ बोलो ना, मतलब हम भी इम्प्लीमेंट करने को टाइम दे दो.
हाँ. Let us be good. Like,
Give us a chance, no. Give or no. And Tukaram Munde, he is immediately replying, पहले करने का ना.
ये करना ही था तुमको.
And
It's like this college student, sir retest.
हाँ.
retest.
सर ये टाइम मार्क्स कम
अगले
आया.
बार आओ एकदम ऐसा मस्त साफ सुथरा रबड़ी देगा ना आपको. Just डेट के साथ. like imagine chefs ना, वो लोग प्लेटिंग करता है तो ऐसा डिजाइन करता है. अभी वो लोग एक्सपायरी डेट भी लिख रहे
अरे.
हैं नोजल के साथ.
And this is the conversation we have with every governmental organization.
हाँ.
We will break the rule first,
हाँ.
and then when you come, we'll be like, hey, last time.
Hey, it's not our fault also. because the thing is, you see rule breaking so often. You are like, हाँ.
Yeah, yeah.
like ये तो break. अरे कोई नजर रख रहा था, क्या बात कर रहा है. कोई बोला कि फॉलो कर रहे थे, क्या बात कर रहा है.
We
I
get
can't
surprised.
believe, dude.
We
I
get
can't believe there
surprised.
is an oversight committee. क्या बात कर रहे थे. ये सब है. तो तुम लोग बाकी टाइम किधर है.
We do get surprised because it's like, अरे आप काम पे आ गए सर.
हाँ.
आज आ गए काम पे. अरे सालों से छुट्टी पे थे, आज आ गए.
Dude, my whole thing is I have a feeling like right now all of those hoteliers and everyone उनका ग्रुप में मालूम है क्या बोल रहा है, like इसको फ्रैंकी खाते हुए फोटो लेकर आ कि ये ऐसा गंदा नाले के ऊपर वाला पानी पूरी पी रहा है ऐसा कुछ
AI,
we need a
AI.
photo we need a photo, we need a video of him ऐसा सीख पर से कबाब खा रहा है ऐसा कुछ फोटो लेके आओ इसका ताकि खत्म हो जाए क्रेडिबिलिटी ना हो ये बंदे का
One politician said it in Vidhan Bhavan.
हाँ
Mr. Jitendra Avhad,
हाँ
if I'm not mistaking his name,
हाँ
he ended up saying कि there is
Oh,
a
Jitendra, okay, हाँ, he's a local
yes Maharashtrian
politician
politician.
of where I live, हाँ.
Where you live.
हाँ.
Great. I'll choose my words carefully. But he seemed like a chill person.
I know his birthday because of all the banners, basically.
Yeah.
Like I just know something about him. Happy birthday, Saib.
So he ended up mentioning that there's a giant conspiracy
हाँ.
to take Mr. Munde out.
हाँ.
Not death,
हाँ.
get transferred or whatever.
हाँ.
And they're collecting funds. And you know what's the budget? He
Hmm.
mentioned 250 crores.
इतना I thought it was cheaper to move a government servant or transfer.
No,
them
but
in
it
one.
shows even if it's a number just thrown out, hearsay, Chinese whispers, call it whatever. Even then, it shows the level of change this man is trying to bring. That the whole industry like, kitna paisa chahiye bolo.
The truth be told, no, I'm too addicted to all of this food, even if it is bad for me. I'm breathing bad air, drinking bad water. Might as well. At least the food is tasty. when
That's
it's
the
poisoning me.
difference between both of us. I turn to cigarettes in order to kill
Yeah,
myself.
you like two different pathways.
Yeah. And you see who smokes and who's coughing. See, Mr. Munde was correct. You need to choose better.
No.
I smoke FSSAI approved cigarettes. What do you smoke? Huh?
Only lung cancer.
I smoke Patanjali. I am growing another pair of lungs. Yes. So when you were speaking about food, one thing that changed as far as my habit is concerned, I looked up all of the milk adulteration reports.
Oh, yeah.
And the things that were being used to adulterate milk.
हाँ.
I was so shocked because I had heard पानी मिलाने का तो ठीक है, volume बढ़ाने को, age old strategy.
Correct.
And that since I was a kid, I was listening from my father's mouth, who was a policeman. So of course he's seen evidence. And he's like, aha, पानी मिलाते पानी. They mix detergent,
Yeah, for the foaminess.
shampoo. I'm now buying such expensive milk that the fellow gets the cow at my doorstep.
Yeah.
Oh, actual है sir, देखो.
Yes.
इसने कल ये खाया था sir. I am looking into cow and buffalo eugenics.
Oh, acha. You're like, let's match genes.
Yes.
And make the best cow.
And I'm trying to include all of this in my mother's diet also.
Acha, so good food and all.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it's priced high, but like that's your quality test. बहुत महंगा है, तो अच्छा ही होगा.
नहीं, लैब रिपोर्ट भी देखा, फिर टेस्ट भी किया.
हाँ.
फिर बोला कि हाँ एक्चुअली थोड़ा फर्क पड़ रहा है.
Okay.
At least.
Okay.
Don't do that, no?
I don't know.
I've just spent a lot of money on 1 liter of milk.
The thing is,
Why?
Like because I know this. I worked at a place which had quality analysis and 85 का 90 कर लेते लोग. Like 85% purity का 90% कर लेते. कर दो ना. It's just, at the end of the day, it's a guy who has a pen who writes 90. Like, he just does that. That's it.
तो तेरा कहने का मतलब है मैं अनशन पे बैठूं और अगर कोई आके पूछा
भूखहड़ताल is the healthiest thing you can do.
कि what are you protesting? I'll be like, bro, protest नहीं कर रहा हूँ, खाना ही नहीं है.
Yeah, कुछ भी खाने लायक है नहीं, bro. Like that's it.
I would love to eat. Get me something that is not adulterated. I think that's the most convincing thing about a bribe. Is a bribe is the most complete figure.
Yeah, it's always that much only.
That
all
much
inclusive.
only. All inclusive.
हाँ, like if
Everything else.
weirdly enough, if you increase कि नहीं actually is 5,000, I said 2,000, 5,000, then you really feel like ये कितना बेईमान है. Honesty is expected when you are
Giving
taking
bribe.
bribe and giving bribe.
Because if you raise charges
Hmm.
last moment, na, I will give.
हाँ
But then I will badmouth also. Huh?
हाँ
Yeah.
वो तो मतलब वो ठीक है, पैसा तो सब लोग लेते हैं, लेकिन इतना लालची नहीं होना चाहिए. You need to have some, there is honor among thieves.
इतना इतना मतलब डबल मांगा रे डायरेक्ट. ये
हाँ.
पैसा ना उनकी जेब में नहीं टिकेगा. देख. ये पैसा नहीं टिकेगा.
मांगने का तो मैं भी समझता है,
हाँ.
लेकिन ये तो मतलब इंसानियत भी कोई चीज होता
या
है. इंसानियत भी कोई चीज होता है.
क्या साहब, क्या साहब. मेरे पास है कूपन कोड इंसानियत.
इंसानियत.
आप डाल के तो देखो कूपन कोड, एक्सेप्ट होएगा साहब.
नहीं हो रहा एक्सेप्ट, गलत ऐप है.
It's always fun to see
Hmm.
people taking chotu bribes.
हाँ.
Because chotu bribes is when digital India stops.
Yeah. Like that is the problem, na, कि you eliminated the lower rungs of bribe.
Gen
क्योंकि अभी
Z,
कोई हाँ.
Gen Z carries a wallet only for bribes.
Yeah, that is the only thing. Yeah.
Everything else they are
Oh.
GPaying.
Dude, now they are starting. The law has changed now. So
What do you mean?
UPI transactions will have a, banks can put a charge on it. तो खत्म. डिजिटल इंडिया, वी हैड अ ग्रेट रन. अभी खत्म. अभी हो गया, खत्म हो गया. नाउ इट्स ओवर.
Immediately all of the rickshawalas in Mumbai will be like, बोला था ना मैं,
हाँ.
बोला था ना.
Now we'll straight away go to bank and give me money. Like give me my money, I'm not keeping in the bank only.
Yes.
This system is. How can using your money cost money? Like, here's 5 rupees charge. Why? For using 10 rupees. That's it.
Why? Because my bank no.
My bank, no. I held your money.
Bro,
for
but
you.
my money was only digital.
It
never came. I never gave gaddi of notes to you.
But I was remembering it. No.
Arey
I was holding the -100. That's what I did. No.
Sir, I've seen the computer, sir. It's Pentium 3 processor computer. How much my money is holding?
Man, the thing is, oh man, that banks, dude. Our bank, they wanted to do KYC for me.
Oh yeah.
ठीक है, because my account was dormant. And the thing is, 6 months ago, ये बैंक में गफला हुआ है. तो now where is the KYB document? First you submit that to me.
Yeah.
I want to know my bank.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And then I filled and I sent it. ठीक है. And again they're like 2 जन आएगा आपका check करने को कि, and they called also before coming कि public आ रहा है. And I was expecting at least people with formal shirt pant. ठीक है. 2 guys who probably are like 7-8 years younger than me, who look like they have come to rob us. वो वाला पब्लिक आया, मेरा फोटो लिया, मेरा घर का फोटो लिया विद द नेम प्लेट एंड ऑल, एंड देन दे वेंट. एंड लाइक ये वेरिफिकेशन था उनका कि हाँ ये बंदा है, ये एग्जिस्ट करता है. एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक ये हाउ डू यू नो एनीथिंग? आई कुड बी दिस 1 billion whatever is the number.
Yeah.
अपना आबादी का उतना पब्लिक है. How do you know I am the guy who is on the paper? Like, is there anything? Like, is there anything to identify? You wrote KYC document, but do you really know your customer? You don't. Could be anybody, dude. Like, you just.
And the beauty about your verification process is
हाँ.
that the people coming to verify
हाँ.
can deny the legibility of your document.
Dude, I don't think they've seen my documents.
Yeah.
Those 2 guys just looked like 2 randos on the street.
Yeah.
If
I
I
think
ask them identification card, they will remove like some fata hua paper. Be like, this is what they told me I am. Like,
I mean, the
that's it.
whole KYC process was those 2 guys coming to your house and then going, "Eh, लग रहा है ना? मेरे को भी लग रहा है. देखना."
आपको किधर तो देखा है बैंक में.
हाँ.
हाँ.
आपने कोई फॉर्म पे फोटो लगा है क्या उधर?
हाँ.
थैंक यू. आपका अकाउंट से थोड़ा पैसा लिया हम लोग. थैंक यू.
Dude, the thing is, I didn't even ask them their name. Typically, मैं पूछता है कि मेरे को ID कार्ड
Yeah.
लेगा वगैरह, तुम बैंक से हो, कौन है, क्या है वगैरह. Because I know like these could be 2 guys who are just standing outside the bank and we're like, एक काम है, वहाँ पे जाके आ, फोटो लेके आ.
Oh.
That's it. Like, जो छोटू होता है ना जगह का, उसी
Yeah.
को imagine he has to verify whether I am member of this bank. Like, what can be a bigger, like, कोई तो कर्मचारी भेजो कि मेरे को लगे कि ये बैंक लेजिटिमेट है. Dude, like, मेरे को genuinely ऐसा लगता है कि अब भी वापस से कुछ घपला होएगा ये बैंक में.
That is exactly why when somebody does their job properly, you
Hmm.
are like, अरे रे इसको आता है.
Oh, dude, competent people surprise you.
Yeah.
Like it is like, oh shit.
Whenever I come across a competent person, I'm like, hey, you survived?
Yeah.
You got through so many obstacles
हाँ.
to just be competent at something.
हाँ.
I remember when I had gone to take my driving license.
Hmm.
18 years, went through the instructor thing,
हाँ.
reached the RTO office.
हाँ.
The volume of people
हाँ.
who used to come regularly to get their license done.
हाँ.
At one point of time, the checking process,
Hmm.
you can see it starts whittling down. Whole circle मारने का वो
हाँ.
10 जन करेगा मैक्स.
हाँ.
उसके बाद आधा सर्कल.
हाँ.
उसके बाद चालू कर सकता है क्या गाड़ी.
हाँ. हाँ.
और फाइनली
एक मिनट. सर्कल के बाद चालू कर सकता है
नहीं.
कैसे होता है?
सर्कल पहला 10 जन करेगा. That is
Oh,
the
उसके
test.
बाद वाला public will do this.
हाँ.
So you never do circle.
Never do circle.
It is the test you. It is multiple choice test.
Because अरे how will I finish so many tests today?
My God, dude.
And the final boss
हाँ.
of RTO license is ठोकेगा नहीं ना. ठोकना नहीं. हाँ. देख बेटा तेरे पे विश्वास करके
तेरे को चाबी दिया है.
मैं स्टैंप लगा रहा हुआ बेटा. कल को मेरे को अरेस्ट करने पे नौबत मत लेके आ. ठीक है. संभाल के आँख खुला रख के चलाने आता है ना. आता है तेरे को. हाँ चल. ए चला रे चला.
जान मत लेना किसी. स्लो चलाने का. एक्सेलेटर, ब्रेक, क्लच. क्या? एक्सेलेटर, ब्रेक, क्लच.
सब साथ में दबाने का. नहीं. नहीं. अरे
3 पैर है क्या तेरा? नहीं 2 जोड़ के.
तेरे को पास कराने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ मैं. समझ में नहीं आता तेरे को.
Man, yeah. There's no, because you can't say no to a person who's come for life क्योंकि वो वापस आएगा. Like so it's just a no is just procrastination.
Yeah.
For this guy.
I had gotten an international license done.
हाँ.
Right. The international license was just essentially a tiny paper booklet.
Hmm.
Like it wasn't very thick also, and it had the names of all of the countries where you can drive.
हाँ.
And most of the countries, fancy countries where you can drive, are all Commonwealth countries because of course we share the
Yeah.
colonization वाला.
Trauma bond.
हाँ, मतलब
You can drive here.
हाँ, अगर रानी ने कोहिनूर लिया तो चला रे तू. चला चल रो मत. आ चला.
राइट हैंड पे ना. राइट हैंड पे चलाते हम लोग. क्यों? रानी ने कोहिनूर लिया.
And then the other countries are all like small island nations or countries where generally speaking there might not be cars also, roads also. And I'm like, bro, मैं केन्या में क्या करूँ ये.
ऐसा एक बंदा के
Yeah.
वो गाड़ी है.
That is Uber.
आपको क्या चाहिए? BMW चाहिए. बेटा इधर आ. गैंग गैंग गैंग.
ए पिकअप करने का दोस्त को. नहीं जगह नहीं है, जगह नहीं है.
Just that guy from police academy comes
Oh.
with sound effects.
Fun na. Like in this country you can only speak about foreign police.
Yeah. Your actual police though, I don't think they believe in words.
Yeah.
Everything is sign language only.
Yeah. Like in this country when a policeman looks at you, आंखों से लाठी चार्ज होता है.
It's literally आंखों से गोली मारे.
That's what happened at Jantar Mantar. सर पैलेट गन था ही नहीं.
आंखों से गोली.
मैं तो आंख मारा है सर.
Oh shit.
इसका आंख मारना भी डेंजरस है यार इसका तो. I was checking out the protests that are happening in Jharkhand.
Yeah, now it's like open season. Now we protest.
Oh.
Bindas.
Now people, when they saw that it works, everybody's like, yeah, I also want to use.
Yeah, even I have a problem.
Yeah.
And they didn't listen to me also. So fuck it. Like,
One though I felt so bad for the kids
hmm.
and at the same time so angry because I've always hated corruption in midday meal programs. By the way, Mr. Munde, that's the next thing that you should look at when it comes to food.
Yes. प्लीज जरा अक्षय
Please.
पात्रा चेक करो.
हाँ, like please look at the quality maintenance for midday meal programs for children, because the dal looks like water with color.
Yeah.
There is no dal. You'll find 2 lentils.
इस दाल में कुछ काला हो तो बड़ी बात है.
हाँ.
Like it's
If you ever look at the state of schools,
Hmm.
स्टेट स्कूल, BMC स्कूल्स होने दे, कोई
हाँ.
और इसका गवर्नमेंट म्युनिसिपैलिटी स्कूल्स होने दे,
Hmm.
उनका हालत ऐसा है
Hmm.
कि आई हैव my mom teaches a couple of kids, okay,
Yeah,
who
yeah,
go
हाँ.
to
Yeah.
BMC schools,
Hmm.
and once 15th August
हाँ.
abhi aa raha hai, you know, the kids had gone there and then they came back and my mom was like, "Acha, how was it, the celebration?" And they were like, all the freedom fighter photos
Yeah.
are seen in every school,
Correct.
but there's so much leakage in the wall. It looks like the photo is getting wet and it then looks like the freedom fighters are crying. 'Cause they are just looking at the vyavastha and avastha
Yeah.
and going, "Oh,
Oh.
I died for this."
Dude, if like we make photos like how Harry Potter का painting आता था, where the person
Moving,
is real.
yeah.
They will all just be like, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? क्या? नहीं. Like while the prayer is going on in school, Bhagat Singh will be like, no. Like no.
When
No
the
God, no God.
when the chief guest comes to cut the ribbon,
हाँ.
all the freedom fighters like, मैंने देखा है इसको, ये लिया है,
चोर
ये लिया है.
चोर.
मेरे दूसरा वाला फोटो है ना पार्लियामेंट में, उसके नीचे ही लिया है, उसके नीचे लिया है ये. और ये लोग ऐसा है ना कि मेरे फोटो पे पर्दा डालने को आता है लोग. इधर औरत लोग का बुरखा उतर रहा है, मेरे पे उधर डाला.
ये
शर्म
बोल
नहीं
रहा
आता
था
है.
कुछ किया नहीं देश के लिए, मेरे को आके बोला कुछ नहीं किया नहीं देश के लिए. Like across the photo, Gandhi ji and Bhagat Singh, I be like, we respect you, मैं आपका रिस्पेक्ट करता, हाँ मैं भी तेरा रिस्पेक्ट करता. सॉरी नहीं बचा पाया तेरे को, सॉरी. ऐसा बातचीत चल रहा
I think the sleepwalking edition of Indian politicians is this, Noel.
हाँ.
फिर उनका बीवी ऐसा उठती है या फिर पति उठ के हे.
पता नहीं इनको क्या हुआ है यार. रोज रात को मुझे गिनना चालू करते. This is where the pinching starts.
Just going to say.